Good girl.
Good job, Lovebug. Okay, is it bad? You don't like pears too much?
Okay.
That's mean. I gotta give her something with it.
No, give her another one. Give her.
Just remember looking back, this is your daddy's idea to torture you.
again.
We'll mix it with something. Is it sour? Apples! It's okay. Apples. Apples for the first time. Is that good? It's okay. Alright. It's okay. I think she needs them mixed with stuff. She doesn't like fruit.
She doesn't like fruit at all.
She likes veggies, but not fruit.